Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I'm showing you guys this amazing honey garlic pork chop recipe. This will take literally 15 minutes to put together. It's so easy and yet so flavorful. But before I show you guys how it's done, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Also leave a like if you enjoy, and let's get started. Alright guys, here are the ingredients to make this recipe. I am using 2 bone-in pork chops. And for the seasoning, I am using garlic powder, unsalted butter, salt and pepper, Italian seasoning, paprika, onion powder, minced garlic, honey, olive oil, a little bit of chicken stock, and as well, or chicken broth, and as well as some cooking wine. Alright, first thing first, I am going to combine all of my dry seasonings together. Now we're going to combine that together, and don't forget your salt. So I am going to be adding in the salt. Now I am going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil, about a tablespoon on both sides of the pork chops. That way the seasoning can stick on there once we apply it. Now we're going to generously sprinkle the seasoning on the pork chops. To ensure the seasoning stick and stay, it's best to just pat it in instead of rubbing it in. So we're going to season both sides and as well as the sides as well. All right, now that we have our pork chop well seasoned, it's time to cook them. We're going to drizzle about 3 tablespoons of olive oil to this frying pan. Once it's nice and smoking hot, you're going to place your pork chop in there. Make sure to cook the fat off first. As you guys can see, that will help the pork chop to cook nice and flat and not curl up. All right, we're going to repeat the same method for the other pork chops. Once you have the fat melted, you are going to allow this to cook for about 5 to 6 minutes per side, because these are, thick cut pork chops. They're going to need some time to cook. So flip them over and allow the other side to cook, and make sure you are cooking this on medium high heat so you can have a nice crust on there. All right guys, here are the pork chops. They're nice and juicy and looking amazing. So now we're going to remove them, set them aside so we can make our honey garlic butter. I went ahead and discarded some of the oil because it was looking a little too oily. Then we're going to place about 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter in there. Allow that to melt. Once it's melted, you are going to add your garlic in. So now you are going to cook the garlic for about, I'll say 15 seconds until it started to fragrant. Then you are going to pour in your honey. As you pouring in your honey, you're going to give that a stir. Once it's nice and caramelized, you are going to pour in your cooking wine to deglaze the honey. Next, you are going to pour in your chicken broth, give that a stir, and you are going to be cooking this on medium low, as you guys can see, so you can allow this to thicken a little bit more and allow it to simmer on low. Now, once you have your sauce nice and thick and simmer very slowly, you are going to place your juicy pork chops in there just like that. The sauce by itself is, oh my God, it's so flavorful. Place the other pork chop in there, and now you are going to baste your pork chops. Oh my goodness, I love the flavor in the sauce. And yes guys, basically this is the recipe. This came out so good in less than 15 minutes. I hope you guys give this a try, and don't forget to come back and let me know how you guys like it. Please give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Also subscribe if you're new here. I'll see you guys on the next recipe. Bye.